In front of me is REALME GT Neo 5, and today I would like to show you how you can add a password to Google Passwords Manager. All you need to do is open Settings and scroll all the way down to hit Google. Then tap on All Services and scroll again to tap on Autofill with Google here. Now you can click on Google Password Manager and select Add Password at the top. If you can't see any of those options, that means that you never added a password before. To make them visible, you need at least one. So to fix it, hit Settings at the bottom right corner. Make sure Offer to Save Passwords option is enabled, log in to any app, and hit Save in the pop-up. Then your password will appear here, and you'll be able to add any other one from those settings. To do it now, hit Add Password and input all of those informations. At the top, select any website, or click Select App and tap on a chosen one. Then enter your username, email or phone number, password, and even take some helpful notes. When you're ready, hit Save at the top right corner. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!